Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually hide or private your photos on iPhone without any other app. It's really simple and easy. So there is a sneaky way to hide your photos on your iPhone that are locked and hidden from other people. So whether they might be like workout, progress pictures, anything embarrassing stuff like that. If you want to save that in a log folder, there is no need of log folder in the Photos app. So you actually want to do is use the Notes app. You see, the Notes app has the ability to add photos and save photos within a folder, and then you can log that folder and you can log it with your face ID, so you are able to easily get into it easily. But other people, if you just hand it to somebody, your phone won't be able to access that. Otherwise, the only other way to do this is maybe to hide your photos, and even then somebody could technically access that without any password. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.